Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a quick little unboxing for you all. Now, I don't know if you all remember, but a long time ago, I used to wear a name necklace. I had two. One had my name on it, and then when I gave birth to my son, Sefton, I got one with his name on it. And both of them broke. I had found them through a company years and years ago, probably like over 10 years ago. And they were sterling silver name necklaces. The one that had my name on it was perfectly fine. I wore it for so many years with no problems. And the moment I got the one with my son's name on it, that's when I started seeing issues and it broke. I could have called them and got it replaced, but I was like, you know what, I'm not even gonna bother with it. So I was so excited when this company reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to pick a name plate for myself. Obviously, I picked one and I got my son's name on it because I'm just obsessed with my son. But anyway, the company that sent me the necklace is called Jeulia, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it with you guys here. It came in this super cute little black box, and then here is the little box that the necklace came in. Gave me some little instructions, also a little booklet that has like other jewelry items that they carry. So it looks like they're very well known for their like rings, like engagement rings and things like that. So yeah, they have some really beautiful pieces actually. So here's the little booklet. And then it also came with a little mini bag, which I thought was super cute. And yeah, so here is a little box, very nice. The packaging was A1. And so here we go. So they put it in this little plastic baggie here. And I'll show you guys the one that I chose. I've been wanting one of these bar necklaces for so long. So the one that I had previous to this was just my name spelled out and his name spelled out. But I wanted to do something different. Also, I decided to go with the gold because I don't have any gold jewelry. So if you guys can see there, it says Sefton. And I just thought I, would do something different because I don't wear a lot of gold jewelry at all. I'm not a big gold wearer, but for this, I was like, yeah, I can see myself wearing this in gold. So I'm gonna try it on. How cute. So I'll give you guys a close-up real quick. As you can see, I got a tan from being out in the sun. You guys see it? So yeah, this is a really beautiful piece. So far right off the bat, I can tell you that I love it. This is a piece that I know that I'm just gonna wear every single day, so you guys get used to it because you're gonna see it in my vlogs and videos and everything. So I thought I would just go ahead and do an unboxing here for you guys so I can share it with you. Also, I have a coupon code that I will link below. You can get 15% off anything that you purchase from the Jeulia site. Check it out. They have some really good pieces. So yeah, if any of you guys have been looking for like little name necklaces for yourself, for a loved one as a gift, these make great gift ideas for your mom, for graduation, for a birthday, new baby. They have so many different like necklaces. Like if you have multiple kids, you can get necklaces with like all your kids' names on it, birthstones, things like that. So definitely check out their site because they have some really good pieces. Based on my like first impression, I am loving it. I will definitely keep you guys posted. I'll do another review just to give you guys an update on how I'm liking it. But so far, I love it. I think it looks good. Again, for someone who is not a big like gold person, I think this is a great addition for me. I also don't mind mixing gold and silver together. I'm not that person that's like, no, I have to wear all gold or all silver. I think this is a really just nice, minimal, subtle piece. Again, something I can wear every day. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and share this with you guys. I'll give you all another close-up look. So yeah, guys, I will leave all the details to my necklace below for you all in the description box in case you're interested in this one. I do believe this one only comes in gold. I could be wrong, but I'll leave like the sizing, the dimensions and everything below for you all if I don't leave it here somewhere. But yeah, so far I am loving it. I'm literally so excited to have it. I can't wait to show Seth, and he hasn't seen it yet. But yeah, he's gonna be so like happy that I have something with his name on it. So I may get another one, like a longer one with maybe my initials or something like that on it, because they do have one that's like a longer chain and it's like just a little disc, and I can get like S in that. So I may get that just as a layering piece because I do like the look of that. Now that's not something that I would wear every day, but I do like to have that option to kind of like layer necklaces. And since I don't wear a lot of necklaces, I love like just simple, minimal jewelry items. I don't go crazy with jewelry, so something like this is just perfect for me. So yeah, I will definitely let you guys know how it wears, give you any more information on it as I wear it. I'll probably do a review on it later on, but I did want to come on and just share it with you all here because again, I will be wearing this every day, all day, and I'm sure I'll get questions about it in like my vlogs and stuff. So I figured why not just do a video just for this item, and it just came in the mail today, so I figured I would just do an unboxing for you guys. So thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, just list them below and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.